Claridge LCS Easy Stick Skins allows you to transform an old writing surface into a new writing surface. The first thing you want to do is make sure your existing board is clean and dry. Now you want to take your skin and you want to dry fit it. What you'd want to do now is, for a reference point when reapplying it, is take and make a mark on your skin and on your existing trim. Now lay your skin in the floor and remove the adhesive liner. Now, after lining up your marks, what you want to do is press in at the very bottom, allowing it not to, this allows it not to move. Then bowing it backwards, starting in the middle and working your way out and up, press in. Now with a roller, what you want to do is just press the board or the skin into the surface. Now you can remove your plastic film. And now you have a brand new writing surface.
For additional information on these and other innovative products, please contact the leader in the industry, Claridge Products, at claridgeproducts.com.